I'm sure you've seen pictures like this, either on TV or social media, and you're wondering why would anyone be subjected to this kind of embarrassment? Well, let me explain. First of all, that photograph is called a mugshot. A mugshot is a kind of photograph that is taken by law enforcement to document a person's physical appearance. And that picture is usually taken immediately after an arrest, during the booking process, or after the person or the suspect has been booked. So why mugshots? Why take mugshots, and what are they used for? How are they used? I'm going to answer those questions now. So first of all, they are used for identification of criminals. Mugshots are one of the most reliable ways of identifying criminals, and it makes it easy for the police or law enforcement to carry out their duty and track criminals and bring them to justice. Also, it is used for preventing repeat offenders. It is generally believed that when they see their own pictures on the media, they will be deterred and they will not repeat their offenses. I mean, no normal human being wants to be embarrassed like that. So it's a way of preventing them from, continuing in their evil ways or repeating their crime. It is also used for creating awareness. It's a way of telling the public, see, oh, this person is a criminal, this person is a suspect, so beware so they don't rob you or defraud you of your hard-earned money. So it is very important for public awareness to put that picture out there so that everybody will know and beware. It is also a way of publicizing statistics. When you look at that placard or that paper they're carrying, you would see a crime number on it. So it's a way of, taking stock and keeping track of statistics of that particular crime, which is very important when it comes to prosecution and, criminal matters. And it also helps in building trust. When mugshots are publicized like that, it promotes transparency. And whether you like it or not, the public will at least believe that the police or the law enforcement agents are doing their job. So it's very important for building trust between the people and law enforcement agents or law enforcement agencies. It's only unfortunate when an innocent person is paraded like that for a crime they did not commit, especially in our country, Nigeria. You know how it is. But we cover ourselves with the blood of Jesus. It is well. Anyways, next time you see something like that, don't be alarmed. It's a very important process when it comes to criminal prosecution. I hope that you learned something from me today. And where are you going? Subscribe now. Kindly subscribe, and I will see you very soon with another interesting and informative video. Enjoy your weekend, and bye bye.